How's it going, everyone? Nicholas here from Impressum Trading. We are going to be taking a look at how to install generative models from Stable Diffusion today. First thing that we're going to want to do is go find the ComfyUI GitHub repository. ComfyUI is where we're going to install Stable Diffusion through. We can also go ahead and download the ComfyManager. So what you're going to do is click the code button, go ahead and download the zip file here. Once you've downloaded the zip file on both ComfyUI and ComfyManager, next you need to go to huggingface.co. What you're going to do is find the one that says Stable Diffusion XL Base 1.0 and go ahead and download that, as well as Stable Diffusion XL Refiner 1.0. So once you've got the zip files installed, go ahead and extract both the Comfy Windows Portable NVIDIA C118 as well as the ComfyUI Manager. You're going to navigate into that file itself and then open up the ComfyUI tab. You're going to scroll down to Models. You can go to Checkpoints, and this is where you're going to put the two Stable Diffusion files that you just downloaded. I'm going to go back to ComfyUI, click on Custom Nodes, and I want to drag that entire folder for my manager here to Custom Nodes. So now we're going to go back to ComfyUI Windows Portable. And we're going to click on Run NVIDIA GPU. So once you click on Run NVIDIA GPU, that's going to prompt a window like this right here. It's going to start pushing all of the necessary commands. It's going to download anything else that's necessary. Make sure you have everything ready to run the actual UI itself. Then it's going to run it on a locally installed terminal here. So right now we're just going to use the base model. We've already got a main prompt in here. Also, the Stable Diffusion model for this one in particular is trained on images that are 1024 by 1024. So we're going to go into this box right here at the bottom and change the width and height. So in order to run our actual images, we've already got one built up here, so we're just going to run this default one. But it says Rabbit Farm, lots of carrots, rabbits racing, anime aesthetics, neon, and vibrant colors. So we're just going to click on Q prompt. And you can see here there's a green box popping up over this checkpoint. One thing that I will also say is I use the sampler name Euler Ancestral. Alright, so as you can see, it does take a bit of time. I have a 2080 Ti GPU running this, so if you do not have anything better functioning, then it most likely will take a little longer. Especially if you are on CPU as well. We can actually take a look at everything being done on the command line as well, so we can see it working as it works.